Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art. This is Rajesh, and today in this video I'm going to show you some small animation which you can do or anyone can do, but with the knowledge of this software called Animate CC. Okay, this is not the beginning though, but I'll show you how to animate a simple character. I hope you can do it. If not, then we'll go back and we'll do the basic tutorial and we'll come back here. Okay, but I'm pretty sure that you all can do this animation which I'm going to show you. And with this software, this is Animate CC. So if you don't know this software, how to use this software for animation, you can search in my videos, or I'll put a link to that video so that it will be easy for you to go to that video and go through it and come back to this video and do the animation which I'm going to show you in this video. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So before jumping into the animation, some basic thing I need to explain you while doing animation. Like if you want to do the animation, you should have a proper planning for the animation. Number one is planning. Okay, and what is planning, I'll explain you further. Then number two is the story. This is a combination you can say, but story means what will happen at what time. So this is one, planning and story. Okay, I should put it one. Number two, the animatic or storyboard, which I am going to do it now, or animatics. There is a difference, but this I'll explain you later in some other videos. Then we'll do the here maybe character designing, or you can design it before. Okay, if you are making it for yourself, then you can do the storyboard by taking any rough character of your own, and later on you can design the character. Okay, but usually after story we will design the character. Okay, according to the story, and after story it should be script. I'm not adding this one here, and I jumped from story to storyboard because this is your own story, so script is not required, and this is not that much detailed animation which require a script. Okay, that's why I'm not including this, but in my next video maybe I'll explain you full process how a production is done. Okay, and how I did my animations previously. If you don't know, then you can watch in my playlist. Then this is the character designing, or you can bring it up and then storyboard or animatics, and then after you can do the animation. So this is the process, and let me start it first so that you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, so BG layer is there here. It's not getting selected. Now I kept it lock, and this is the BG. Nothing is there, only a straight line, a horizontal line, and then I'll jump to layer 5 by clicking this new layer. Okay, and now I'm working on this. This is lock and this is not lock, unlock. Okay, and here I'm going to work and do the rough idea, that is planning or whatever you can call it. So now I'll take a brush, okay, with which I'm going to draw here. Instead of taking pencil, I'm taking brush. Okay, and this one is use pressure, so I'm taking this pressure as well, okay, by clicking it. And now I am planning to do my character over here. So I'm thinking to do the character will come from this side maybe, and in, and here he will stand over here. Okay, and then he will smile. Next step, he will do namaste. Maybe head will be down, and then this character will go this side. Okay, and he will spread his or elongate his hand like this, and here the text will come, welcome to my channel. Okay, this is very simple animation, and anyone can make this if you know the software and little animation principle. Okay, and if you don't know also, I'll add all the things in this video so you can watch the video carefully till the end. Okay, so this is the rough planning. So what I'm going to do is I'll keep this one in this layer, layer 5. This is totally rough. In one key I have added everything, so it might be confusing for you, but for me it is okay. Okay, because I'm getting the idea instantly and I'm adding all the things. So this should be the expression. This also came just now. So I am adding all the things, whatever things it is coming, keeping in mind that it should not be more difficult for you to do. That's why I am keeping it very simple. And now lock the layer and I'll take a new layer. This is only guide. I'll double click this and name it as guide. Okay. And in this layer I'll do the animatics, as I have mentioned you earlier. This is the second one. First one is planning and story. This one will be the animatics. That too also rough, I should say. What I'll do, I'll click this one and I'll take some light color. Okay, and again I'll lock it, and here I'll do the animatic. I'll take the red color, maybe BG is also red, so I'll change the BG color to black. And now I'll go to the animatic layer and I'll select red color, and here I'll start my rough animatics. I'm telling it as a rough because I have not yet designed my character. So after designing, I'll put the character into that animatic and I'll show it to you how it will come out. So now first pose, the character will come here and he will look at the camera and then he'll slide here to this position. Okay, so first I'll draw here because it is visible fully. So here roughly I'll get an idea how the character will look like. I'll make it very simple for you. Now I'll not add any secondary things. Okay, all simple, a body, legs, maybe something like this, lungi or something, and only hands with the line stroke with and the legs as well. Okay, and expression. And if you are doing your character, make it simple. Don't go for things like hairs or dresses because it may distract you from doing the animation. Okay, this is not the character designing class, this is only the animation class, so you need to put concentration on animation only. Okay, fine, we have our first pose. The next one will be, I'm not putting any timing over here, I'm just doing it simultaneously without leaving any space over here. So I'll press F7. Okay, F7 means blank keyframe. Okay, or else what you can do, Ctrl Z, you can press right click and insert blank keyframe. Okay, or F7, the same thing. So here I'll open my onion skin here and I'll hide the guide because I know what I have to do right now. And here in this layer, this is the pose, I need to change it to smile. Okay, the next pose is smile. And the black spot over here will go here. I'll draw once again. Actually, this is not required to draw because only the expression will change. So it is not required to draw, but for the sake of this video, I'm drawing it to make you understand. So here, only thing I have changed is smile. 7 of onion skin, and then namaste. Okay, over here. Here the head will be little down because while we do namaste we should be little bent. And maybe you can do eye close and smile. Everything you should add, you should not forget any part, otherwise it will not look the way it should look. Okay, the body will be little down, legs may be little bent. You need to observe everything, then only you can do the animation. Animation is nothing but observation of the action. Okay, so now I'll see. Okay, this is the rough only, that's why it is moving a little bit towards left. So while doing the proper animatic, I'll register all things. Register means keeping the legs in the same place. It should be in the same place. So namaste. Then again to the same position like this with smile, but I'll take the same pose, this one to this frame. Okay, how I did I'll tell you. I'll press Alt, then I will click like this and I'll drag it. See, so now I have the same image over here. After doing namaste, he will come back to the first pose, this pose, but this should be smiley one. Okay, or like this. And now he will go towards left with sliding F6. Okay, then I'll delete it. So he's turning his face, that's why the ear and this part of the hair will be overlapping his head, and this one will be like this and hand will be like this to show the text, and the body will also turn a little bit like this. Okay, or I can move his head to right like this. This will be more appealing, I think. See, okay, and now I'll press F6 again, and here in between this and this frame both are equal, okay, without any change. And here I'll put right click and create classic twin. Okay, it should be in, it is written that the selected frame spans cannot be twinned. You must convert frame content to a symbol in order to twin. So we need to do the symbol first, then only we can use it. If I'll click OK, then what it will do? Do you want to convert and create twin? It means it will automatically convert your drawing to symbol. Okay, so now it is in symbol, and see, it is already in symbol. How I came to know it is a symbol? It is surrounded with the blue border in both the case. So it is symbol, but there is no motion. So what I'll do, I'll take this and shift arrow on your keyboard and see, it will move. See, okay, but it is little fast. So what I'll do, I'll click here or I'll select here. If I'll select here only this part, this layer will increase its frame. But if I'll select here outside without selecting any part of the layer, then what it will do, it will increase the 3 layers frame automatically. See, F5, see, it is increasing. But if I'll press it here, it is selected, and I'll press F5, only the selected layers, selected layer will increase. Okay, I don't want that, so I'll press Ctrl Z, that is for undo, and I'll see the speed. Okay, it is okay somewhat, but I'll press again F5 to slow it down. If the distance is more, then the speed will be slow. So keep in mind, these are key points, keyframe. Okay, fine. See, and after this, the text will appear here, and everything I am taking in different layers, so it will be easier for me to manipulate it. Here the text I'll write TEXT. Okay, and I'll keep this lock, and from here maybe F7. I'm not doing animation over here because in animatics anyhow I have to do it. That's why to do it twice. Here I'll write it, welcome to my channel. Okay, and now I'll select this one. I can shift arrow and move the text anywhere I like. Okay. I can do anything with this text as well. Like suppose it will come WELCOME one by one. You can do like that also, but we'll do it simple for now. Later on we can do the animation of text and I'll explain it in some other videos maybe. Okay. So now I have an idea what I have to do, but we forgot to do one thing. We didn't do the beginning part of this animation. To do that, what I'll do, I want to find some space over here so that I can draw my character first pose. I'll click the first frame and pressing shift, I'll click the last frame. It is fully selected and now I'll drag it without pressing any keys on the keyboard. I'll drag it from there to here or somewhere you like. Now I have a blank frame at the beginning of my layer. Along the onion skin, now the brackets are visible. So I'll drag this to the first drawing and now it is visible. Okay. So I need to do the first frame, but in the first frame I don't want my character to get visible. In the next frame I want my character to come into screen, maybe here, like I did in my Diwali animation, if you have seen that. And in next frame, here I can do the same drawing, but eyes will be here. And again F7, smiley. Okay. So I need some space in between this and this frame. So what I'll do, I'll press F5 without selecting any layer or any frame so that it will move equally. It will increase all the layers equally. So again I'll press F7. I want to see the last frame, that's why I'll drag it like this. Okay, I forgot to draw the hands. Okay, so now here. Let it be. And to keep this same drawing here as well. Okay. Then here I need to draw the drag pose. Maybe like this. So this is the drag pose. This area I don't need, so what I'll do, I'll put this line, active line, to this without selecting any key point. I'll press shift F5. Okay, see automatically it is reducing frames like this. See? Okay, so this is the rough animation I have decided to do. I may change the animation further in animatics, but for now this is the rough construction of the animation, or you can say the planning and story I have done in this stage. And I am thinking to do this the way I have done it, but you can't say, you never know. If you like to include some part or include some animation in it, you can do in the next stage. Okay, that we'll see further. So this is the first part of the video, and I hope you like this video because this is very easy for you to draw. And in my next step, in the next video, in part 2, you will get to know how I am planning my character and how I am executing my character to do the animation that you'll see in my next video. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it and stay tuned for the second part. Till then, bye bye, take care.